Hi friends, Dinesh this side and it's my first vlog, hence bit nervous क्या किया जाए अभी time है so that I thought of making a video on being healthy. I'm sure with vital information that I'm gonna share with you today that will keep you healthy. So if you'll ask my habit, not even single day I miss my gym. Uh, by default I do every single day, but nowadays I'm in the market, gym, everything is closed. Therefore, with the available resource at home, I do chin up, then I do stretching and warm up my body. Apart from the gym, I love gardening, which my dad even do. So very soon you'll find me doing gardening, and of course I'll upload some videos. Then if I'm not doing all sort of workout and all, I engage myself in cooking various dishes, and I do upload various videos, and I'm sure you must have seen in my YouTube channel. If not, do subscribe my channel and do share your thought that how to improve on various aspects, also like the quality of videos, so that that's how you have to engage yourself for the entire day that I do. If I have free time, I'm sure you have free time, even do engage yourself in reading various materials and gather some information from various source which is available in internet nowadays, so that will enhance your knowledge and always keep you engaged. That's how we have to pass our day-to-day life. If not, then of course, khali dimag shaitan ka ghar. So very soon things will be normal, and government, of course, they will take the appropriate measure, and life will again will be normal as usual, and we'll meet soon. Stay safe. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do comment, also share your thought in the comment box, and see you soon. Take care.